Hi, this is Robert Schwartz, back with another quick math video, this time about the meaning and structure of mathematics. I want to start this video by asking you a question. Is 4 times 3 the same as 3 times 4? If you said yes, you're right. Sort of. They both have a product or answer of 12, but they represent two different situations. You see, 4 times 3 means that you have 4 groups of 3, or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, while 3 times 4 means that you have 3 groups of 4, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Still not convinced? Well, consider 4 times 3 as 4 tricycles, and 3 times 4 as 3 cars. They both have 12 wheels, but I think we can agree they're both very different things. So it's very important, as you begin learning multiplication, that you recognize that not just the answer or the total or the product matters, but that the structure and the context drives the mathematics and not the other way around. Thanks, and keep watching my videos.